Want to hard reset your Toshiba Fire TV because you are giving it away or it's malfunctioning? Here's the quickest way to reset your Toshiba Fire TV to factory default settings right from the TV options in less than a minute. So to do a factory reset, make sure you're on the home screen and then from the top row, go all the way to the right to the settings cogwheel, then go down and go to device and software. And at the very bottom, you'll see the option to reset your TV to factory default. As you can see here, resetting will erase every account that you're logged in and also remove any other informations. So just select Reset to proceed. But in your case, if it asks you for a PIN, but you don't remember your PIN, or in case your TV is frozen so you can't access the settings, then watch this video where I show you how to do it without any PIN or without using the TV remote. After tapping on Reset, your TV will power off and you'll see the reset screen. And during the process, do not unplug your TV. When it's done, you'll get back to the setup screen so it's ready to hand over, or you can set it back up. And that's all there is to it. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.